Welcome to my channel for a new recipe. Today I am making a delicious and very comforting chicken soup with vegetables and Pak Choi. If you are vegetarian, you can just omit the chicken and it will still be as tasty. If you haven't tried this chicken soup, then it's time to make this recipe. So stay tuned to find out how I make it. If you're new to my channel, press on the subscribe button, it's absolutely free. Click on the like and share my videos with your family and friends. You will find the list of all the ingredients you need for this recipe in the description box. For the ingredients, you will need 2 carrots cut in half and then sliced, 2 celery sticks finely chopped, 1 long white parsnip cut in half and then sliced, 1 onion finely chopped, 3 garlic cloves minced and 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 2 dried bay leaves and 2 twigs of thyme. Just a little advice to always have fresh thyme. So when I buy fresh thyme, I always freeze it so it doesn't spoil. And when I need it, I just take what I need. And when it defrosts, it's exactly like fresh. 1 teaspoon of herbe de Provence, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and some chicken pieces. You can use whatever pieces you have at home, drumstick, some breasts, whatever pieces, even bones if you have bones. Just leave the skin on to add more taste. 3 spring onions cut in slices, 3 pak choi. Pak choi is a Chinese cabbage. Then cut it in quarters and wash it well inside because sometimes you can find soil. Some sesame seeds to garnish, 100 grams of mushrooms sliced, and 1.5 liters of water. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil into a large pot on medium heat. Then add the onions, stir a little bit, add the celery, and stir. Then add the carrots and stir. Add the parsnip and stir. Then wash well the chicken and add it to the vegetables. If you want to know how I wash the chicken, then check my videos that I will leave in the description box. Mix everything well and let it cook for 5 minutes, stirring time to time. After 5 minutes, add the ginger paste and the minced garlic and stir for a few minutes. Then add the bay leaves and the thyme, add the salt, the black pepper, the herbe de Provence, and stir. Then add the water. Stir a little bit to mix all the ingredients. Cover and let it cook for 30 minutes or until the chicken and vegetables are cooked. After 30 minutes, remove the chicken from the pot with the bay leaves and the thyme. Then remove the meat from the bone and shred it into small pieces. If your stock has reduced like mine, add a big glass of water, then add the mushrooms. Check the seasoning and add the Pak Choi. Then cover and let it cook for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add the sliced spring onions, the chicken and stir a little bit, then serve. And finish by sprinkling some sesame seeds over the soup. Et voila, our chicken soup is ready. There is nothing more comforting than this soup on a cold day or when we are not feeling well. Now it's your turn to make it, and do leave me a comment to let me know how it turned out for you. Bon appétit! If you like the video, like and share with your family and friends, and before you leave, click on the subscribe button if you haven't done it yet. It's completely free. Hit the bell to receive notification and leave me a comment about the video or what you would like me to cook in the next video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time with a new recipe.